Today I'm going to show you how we make elderberry syrup. Alright, so right here I have a half a cup of dried elderberries. I have 2 star anise, which this is what we get. You can get them however you like, but this is what it looks like, star anise. We are going to use 4 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, and then a good size, maybe thumb size chunk of ginger, fresh ginger. Now you don't have to use ginger, but we like ginger because it just adds a better flavor. Okay, we are going to use 4 cups of water. And at the end we will be using half a cup of honey. It is local honey that we use here, Webb's honey. And we will attach the link as to where we get this honey if you are interested. But you can use a 1/4 cup of honey or half a cup, or you could eliminate the honey altogether. That's solely up to you. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to add the 4 cups of water to the pot. I do use filtered water. So we're just going to get this is the 4th cup right here added. We're going to bring this water to a boil. Okay, once the water gets to a boil, you are going to put it to a simmer for 1 hour. So we're just going to get all the ingredients inside here. It's very easy to make. And then here's the half a cup of dried elderberries. And just with the spoon, just stir it. You can see how it just changes the water. It starts to get that purple color. But at this point, again, let this boil. And once it starts boiling, you're going to go ahead and lower your heat to a simmer. Put a timer on for 1 hour. It's important that you cook the elderberries correctly. And then I will be back in an hour. As you can see, we got this to a boil. And now that we're there, we're going to go ahead and lower the temperature here so that we have a nice simmer. And we will be, we're going to go ahead and cover it for 1 hour at a simmer. Alright, so it has been 1 hour that the elderberry has been simmering for. So you can see how nice and dark purple that is. Okay. So right now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this off the heat and let it cool down till it gets to about 110 degrees. And once it gets to 110 degrees, you're going to go ahead and add this honey to the pot and just stir it. Okay. Reason why we let it cool down is that we don't want to kill all the good benefits that the honey has to offer if it's at a high heat. So we cool it down for that reason. I'll be right back. Alright, so right here we already allowed this to cool, or we let cool down to 110 degrees or under. We're going to go ahead and now add our honey to the mixture here. Let's try to get all that good honey out. Once you add that, just go ahead and just stir it until it kind of incorporates into the liquid. And you can still see that I still have everything inside here still sitting. Okay, and after you stir it really well, all you have to do at this point is you're going to strain the elderberry into any type of strainer that you have. It could be a cheesecloth, it could be any other strainer. What you want to do is you want to remove everything that's inside here and only consume the liquid that's in here. And then you can just take this as you wish. I recommend you can also research a little bit about the elderberry. A lot of great information. And that is it. So this is how we make elderberry. Thank you.